The element of surprise is the attacker's greatest advantage. The sooner the intrusion is detected, the more effective the response will be. With Ôguen's 3D perimeter security, you can detect intrusion attempts, even beyond your perimeter. Our Israeli technologies use AI to distinguish between humans, vehicles, and animals, ensuring protection 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, under any lighting and climate conditions, quickly and at the best price. Magos Radars are the most advanced sensors for perimeter security. They cover gigantic areas, detect threats from a great distance, and immediately indicate the exact location of the invasion using a PTZ camera. Each radar replaces dozens of fixed cameras, reducing 80% of infrastructure. In areas where radars do not have a line of sight, we complement perimeter security with SensoGuard's electronic mines. These are invisible seismic sensors that detect footsteps, vehicles, and excavations. The electronic mines do not rely on a line of sight with the intrusion and can even detect an intruder hidden in an area of dense vegetation. In case an intrusion is detected by radar or by electronic mines, drones know how to easily fly to the intrusion area and transmit to the attackers that they have been discovered through a sound system. At the same time, the drone will provide live images to the command and control center, making the response more effective, reducing the risk to human life. All our technologies are robust and designed for many years of durability. They require minimal maintenance and guarantee maximum satisfaction. These technologies already protect millions of square meters across Brazil. The commercialization of these technologies is carried out through a network of certified integrators that offer rental or sale options, warranty, and the advantages of local service. Ôguen's 3D perimeter security. Protection in any condition.